Last week, LEGO Education released Computer Science and AI, which completely transforms the robotics formula. Gone is the idea of having a central smart hub for your robot, and in its place is a collaborative, wireless learning experience designed almost exclusively to be taught in classrooms. So is the change worth the upgrade? Today, let's review LEGO Education Computer Science and AI. G'day, I'm Mr. Code, and I've been teaching student robotics since 2017. LEGO Education Computer Science and AI is different. It is as though LEGO has thrown out the rulebook on what a robotics platform expects students to learn. In the past, a robotics platform would be expected to teach mechatronic principles, things like linkages, gears, pulleys, and mechanical advantage. More advanced students would then learn about the interplay between machines and sensors, how machines could react to changes in the environment, and how programming makes it all happen. And these are great skills to learn, but when it comes to getting students to be prepared for real robotics and working in future AI-augmented industries, we need to nurture skills that real careers depend on. And these include collaboration, teamwork, communication, and an understanding of AI and its effect on our community. These skills are now systematized in the latest LEGO Education Computer Science and AI platform, and it puts LEGO in a league of its own. That's not a first LEGO League pun, it just came out like that. I'll talk more about FLL in another video. Now, I spend a lot of time researching and making robotics videos just like these, so if you're a coach or a teacher trying to run better robotics classes, then this channel is built exactly for that, so consider subscribing for more. Let's take a look at what's inside these latest kits. Over the last week, I've been running experimental classes with the CSAI 8 Plus and 11 Plus kits. They both contain a mixture of LEGO system and Technic parts, which is universally familiar to all students. The 8 Plus kit contains a double motor, the same double motor that you see in the LEGO Science kits, and color sensor, as well as some of the new monorail parts to make some smart train projects. The 11 Plus kit contains a bunch of extra pieces, plus an additional wireless controller and a single motor. The new tubs are shallower and wider than the deep boxes of Spike Prime or EV3, making them more suited to having several students browsing at the same time. The latest kits now come with printed instructions with 24 building projects for each age group, spanning hundreds of pages each. This equates to 72 total projects across the entire CSAI range. By contrast, the previous Spike Essential and Spike Prime range had 60 total projects across two age ranges, so the new system feels better targeted to narrower age bands and provides more content overall. The new way the kits encourage teamwork could not be understated. Each of up to 4 students can work on a single kit by taking control of a single colored minifigure at the start of the lesson. And as they flip through the instructions, students are each tasked with building the parts that match their own color. This puts teamwork and collaboration forward as a key part of the building experience. Teachers no longer need to remind students to share building steps or worry about one student doing all the work while another is sitting around bored. And honestly, I didn't expect it to work as well as it did. The building system emphasizes the importance of working together, and most importantly, all of our students really love this new way to build their projects. The software for CSAI is the new coding canvas that you can access in the link below. This Scratch-based coding system is familiar to existing students, yet it offers additional AI functionality for those AI activities. Students can use the device camera to track a range of gestures or even create new gestures by training new models themselves. These can then be used to trigger events in the code or even move the robot, which is always entertaining for students and teachers alike. Finally, the star of LEGO Education Computer Science and AI is the Teacher Portal. The portal is a dedicated, free online platform designed to support educators. It offers curriculum-aligned lessons across all 72 of the projects in the range and includes everything you would expect from a professional teaching plan, like ready-to-use slideshows, facilitation notes, achievement rubrics, and a community dashboard so that you can connect with LEGO educators from around the world. Browsing through the curriculum, you will see that CSAI leans heavily on the computer science side of robotics rather than on the mechanical side that past editions are known for. This coding-first approach helps students build real translatable skills to any robotics platform that they might work with as they grow older. Most important are the lessons centered around the usage of AI. Sure, there are great projects that deal with gesture tracking and training models, but equally impressive are the thought-provoking discussion activities, such as how do we collect data for training our models? What is security and what is bias? These are all timely lessons that can benefit both students and their teachers. I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, More Educational. Ever since Creator Academy started making LEGO education videos, we have been greatly supported by the experts at More Educational. They are an authorized partner of LEGO Education with over 27 years experience working with LEGO education products. So if you're in Australia and you want to buy genuine LEGO education products like all of the ones shown in this video, then make sure you visit the More Educational website. LEGO Education CS and AI is not trying to be a better robot kit. Indeed, some might argue that the robotics hardware is a step back from what the previous generation Spike Prime had to offer. But there's no denying that CSAI is a better learning platform. And that's a critical distinction. Previous systems taught students how to build and program robots, whereas this system puts the focus on computer science, collaboration, and engagement with AI. It reflects where education is heading, not where it has been. And in that sense, this might be LEGO Education's most important release yet. It is the first one that actually prepares students for an AI-driven future and builds highly sought-after skills. If you're a teacher, coach, or school leader looking at the future of STEM education thinking, what do I teach my students in the age of AI? Well, this is definitely a platform worth paying attention to. I'll be continuing to use this in classroom environments, so if you want deeper insights, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.